What's up, y'all? So today's gonna be a very quick and simple video. All I'm gonna be doing is installing my OEM style spoiler onto the car. It should be a very simple thing to do. Let's just hope we don't hit any bumps in the road, but let's get it. All right, so this is the spoiler right here. I ordered the spoiler on eBay. It cost me about 120 bucks. I could have got it painted for I think it was $160, but they only painted to the body color of your car or the paint code from Infiniti. I didn't want that. At first I didn't want that, but then I changed my mind to gloss black. It was a little dumb idea, but either way, it cost me about 60 bucks to paint it anyway. When it first came, it was just primered, so it was like white. It was like a whitish color. I took it to my body shop, my boy Junior. He then painted it for me. He painted it gloss black so I can match the accent of the car, which you guys can see we're going with a red and black theme so far. But that's gonna change within a few weeks because I did ask you guys what color should I wrap the car, so that's gonna change as well. So I already prepped the area. So if I take this off, as you guys can see, I already prepped the area. I'm gonna give it one more wipe down before I actually put the spoiler on, just to make sure the area is good. It's been a little dirty today. It's been raining, all this other stuff, but I was very impatient and I just want to put it on. So let me get another microfiber cloth, spray it ready, give it a little wipe. Make sure the area is free of all contamination. All right, and on the back of this, you guys can see I already went ahead and put the 3M tape on there. So let's go ahead and get that started.
I just like the sound.
So right now I got everything lined up. You have to take the tape off, and this tape keeps fucking hiding. Boom, just like that. So what you do, you take the tape, rip it, then with the top. All right, y'all, so this is the final results. It's on there. I don't know how secure it is. It doesn't seem like it's coming off at all though. I don't see any flex or anything in any of the areas. I'm trying to peel it up. All right, so let me just get another rag and wipe it off because that still have alcohol on there. So give me 1 sec. So boom, I'm gonna use some quick detailer and brand new rag and wipe it down just a little bit. So originally when I was looking at it, like if you look at it from afar, you don't see an issue with it at all. But as you get closer, I'm starting to see like little scratches and stuff in there. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's like mean scratches in there. I don't know if that was on the body shop's part or what, but I see that. See a little bump right there. It's like a whole bunch of stuff I'm seeing now that I actually cleaned it off and put it on a car. So it's like weird, but I'll tell you guys what, it's staying on there. So the next step, I'm gonna go inside the car, see if the reverse camera actually works so I can see out of it properly. But before I do that, let me give you guys a little cold start because I know you guys been itching for it.
I just like the sound.
So yeah, I can actually see perfectly out of it. Look at my exhaust, yeah, it's still smoking a little bit and hot. But yeah, I can see perfectly out of it, and it actually looks really good. Really good. I'm really digging it, yo. Oh my God. Baby getting so much sexier. Yes, yes, yes. Here to hear first, ladies and gents. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Go downstairs and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. More videos to come in the future. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, all right? Peace out.